Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. This is the Oceanside guy. My name is Derek, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, if you've heard or if you know of what's going on in Oceanside, especially right behind me, yesterday we had 10-footers, 12-footers. Right now we're experiencing about 6 to 8 foot waves right now, and they are going to get bigger. It is almost 9 o'clock in the morning, and we're experiencing a rising tide right now. That means I need to get in the water right now before I can't get out. Right over here of my left shoulder is normally where we launch out of, which is the harbor. Yesterday, there's been a few boats that wanted to get out but could not get out because it was just so big. The swells were so big, they were coming right into where everybody needs to get out and everybody needs to get in. So, long story short, looks like I'm good to go. I'm gonna get out there. I'm gonna be super careful, keeping my head on a swivel today, and just gonna go out and have some fun and experience a heavy swell here in Oceanside. So before I head out there, take a look. But, right over here, that's where I need to go to launch, and that's where the swells are coming in too, which again prohibited some boats from getting out yesterday. So I'm gonna make my way over there. Wish me well. I can't say how long I'm going to be out this morning, but I just wanted to get out here and experience it. So I will check in with you guys in a quick minute. See ya. Okay guys, I am all bundled up, ready to go. So I'm just waiting to see what's lurking around this corner. We got to get out into the ocean, and another guy was just like, hey man, have fun out there. I'm like, yeah, thanks. He's like, be careful. Yes, sir. And he's like, those waves are bombing out there. They're bombing. I'm like, okay. I don't want to be bombing through waves. I just want to go out and have some fun. I just passed another guy on a jet ski. He's like, I just got, well, for lack of better words, freaking thrashed. I'm like, oh no. And come to find out, he was playing around in the surf. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna be smart. I'm not gonna play in the surf. I just wanna get out in the water. That's all I wanna do. Apparently this guy got really thrashed. Looks like there's a whale and dolphin boat. They wanna get out too. As you know, a lot of the orcas have been spotted around here, Southern California, quite early this year. So, that's why these guys are wanting to get out, and they have to wait for the right second to get out. And let's see what we got. Ooh, around the corner. All right, not too bad. Let's go see. You can see the waves are crashing over the jetty, which is unnormal for here. But yesterday the waves were just barreling in right here, and people could not get out, or some people couldn't. So looks like we're good to go. Better hurry up a little before things change. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. This is huge. Look at that surf. Wow. Good thing I got this today. Look at these swells just coming in. They're barreling one after the other. Wow. what a sight to see from the water. And just to see these swells go past and you float right over them. I am not going to go play in the surf today. Not this guy. No. It's pretty calm out here. Okay, while I'm sitting here, I think I'm going to check out to see how deep I am right now, because I did install the Sea-Doo depth finder, so let's check it out. So all we got to do is hit this right arrow and it should appear on the screen. So let's see what we got. Depth 60 feet. Nice. Depth finder works. Well, it should. I installed it. Depth finder works. I'm so glad I got that in. Not that that helps me out right now, but nonetheless, I've got it. Check out my link. I'll put the link up top here if you are interested in that depth finder for your Sea-Doo. Super easy install. Can you see this big guy coming up behind me? Oh my goodness. Woo! So I don't know if you can tell, but the skyline, or I'll say the water line, is doing this. Can you see it? And I am in the middle of it, like left side. Sometimes I can see the rocks, sometimes I can't. And I go over these swells, I sink down, and then can't see the jet, just like that. Oh, and this guy behind me, look at that. Let's go over the top, shall we? Wow. See those waves over there, just spraying. So right here at the jetty, you'll see the waves go into the jetty, and then you'll see them billow back out this way towards me. So you're literally surrounded by incoming and outgoing swells. Closing Mission Bay entrance, I think. I couldn't quite hear that. Well, I gotta say, the Oceanside seals do not seem to be bothered by this massive swell that's coming through. They're just relaxing. What's up, guys? What up? Hi. Well, the sun is starting to poke through a little bit. Right over here up north by Camp Pendleton is probably, so far what I've seen, is the biggest swells, especially going up and hitting up along the jetties. And of course the shoreline over there too is really, really large. I wish the GoPro could do more service, a better service to these large swells that are actually here. Wow. It's still early, it's almost about 10:30, and the high tide is still coming in, and it doesn't seem to be crazy even getting out of the harbor. So I think people are coming going okay now. But yesterday, whew. am gonna make it a short morning this morning, guys. It's yeah, it's 10:30, and I think I probably got in the water about 9. So just running around here, just wanted to see the massive swells from my Sea-Doo, and boy, they are just rolling in. They are not quitting at all. Yep. All right, guys, so we're gonna make it a day and call it a day. You guys ready to call it a day? All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I know this is a really quick one today. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed the quick video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel as always. As you know, that does support the channel, and I'll be giving you some more rides here coming up in 2024. Thanks again, guys. Thank you so much. Have yourself a great day and a great up and coming week. All right, guys, as always, make today your absolute best day, because tomorrow isn't promised. Until next time, I will see you on the water.